Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today, we're diving into the latest financial results of Li Auto Inc., a leading player in China's new energy vehicle market. Stay tuned as we summarize the report, discuss the highlights of the results, and what it all means for investors like you. Curious to know more details on key takeaways and insights? Watch this video to find out. Executive Summary.
Li Auto Inc. reported its unaudited financial results for the second quarter of 2024, showcasing significant growth in vehicle deliveries and revenues. Despite a decrease in net income and operating margin compared to the same period last year, the company achieved a notable increase in vehicle sales and total revenues from the previous quarter. The report also highlighted advancements in autonomous driving technology and strategic initiatives aimed at enhancing product offerings and operational efficiency.
Financial performance. What was the total revenue for the current quarter, and how does it compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
Total revenues for the second quarter of 2024 were RMB 31.7 billion, $4.4 billion, representing an increase of 10.6% from RMB 28.7 billion in the second quarter of 2023, and an increase of 23.6% from RMB 25.6 billion in the first quarter of 2024.
What were the GAAP and non-GAAP earnings per share (EPS), and how do they compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
GAAP diluted net earnings per ADS were RMB 1.5 in the second quarter of 2024, compared with RMB 2.18 in the second quarter of 2023 and RMB 0.56 in the first quarter of 2024. Non-GAAP diluted net earnings per ADS were 1.42 in the second quarter of 2024, compared with RMB 2.58 in the second quarter of 2023 and RMB 1.21 in the first quarter of 2024.
Segment performance. How did the major business segments perform in terms of revenue and growth compared to the previous periods?
Vehicle sales were RMB 30.3 billion, $4.2 billion in the second quarter of 2024, representing an increase of 8.4% from RMB 28.0 billion in the second quarter of 2023, and an increase of 25.0% from RMB 24.3 billion in the first quarter of 2024. Other sales and services were RMB 1.4 billion, 187 million, representing an increase of 99.6% from RMB 680.8 million in the second quarter of 2023, and a decrease of 1.7% from RMB 1.4 billion in the first quarter of 2024.
Cash flow and financial health. What were the key points regarding cash flow from operating, investing, and financing activities?
Net cash used in operating activities was RMB 429.4 million, 59.1 million in the second quarter of 2024, compared with RMB 11 billion net cash provided by operating activities in the second quarter of 2023, and RMB 3.3 billion net cash used in operating activities in the first quarter of 2024. Free cash flow was negative RMB 0.9 billion, 254.9 million in the second quarter of 2024, compared with RMB 9.6 billion in the second quarter of 2023, and negative RMB 5.1 billion in the first quarter of 2024.
Strategic initiatives and partnerships. What were the major strategic initiatives, product launches, and partnerships announced in the current quarter?
Major strategic initiatives included the release of OTA Update versions 6.0 and 6.1 for Li Mega and the LEL series, introducing new features in autonomous driving, smart space, and smart electric features. The company also unveiled a new technological architecture for autonomous driving, integrating an end-to-end E2E model and a vision language model. Additionally, Li Mega received the highest overall score in the China Automobile Health Index (CAHI) assessment.
Future outlook. What is the company's revenue and gross margin guidance for the next quarter or fiscal year?
For the third quarter of 2024, the company expects total revenues to be between 39.4 billion and RMB 42.2 billion, 5.8 billion, representing an increase of 13.7% to 21.6% from the third quarter of 2023.
Overall performance and investment prospects. Based on the financial results and strategic updates, what is the assessment of the company's overall performance?
Li Auto Inc. demonstrated strong growth in vehicle deliveries and revenues, reflecting the effectiveness of its operating strategy and product strength. Despite a decrease in net income and operating margin compared to the same period last year, the company showed significant improvement from the previous quarter. The advancements in autonomous driving technology and strategic initiatives indicate a positive outlook for future growth and innovation.
That's all for today's analysis of Li Auto's impressive performance and strategic advancements. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more in-depth financial insights. Let us know in the comments if you think Li Auto is a good buy right now. Boost your trading game with Interactive Brokers, a leading platform known for its advanced tools and low commissions. I've personally benefited from their fast execution and comprehensive market access. Click the referral link in the video description below to sign up and support this channel. Start trading smarter today with IBKR. Thanks for watching and happy investing.